one piece of wood, actually 2 pieces of wood. Added a little bit later, I added another small piece, and 2 colors, gold and green. In some area it played a little bit as bluish, greenish, and that's what it came out. Now you can see the other piece that I added. I don't know why the camera didn't catch this when I added this one. I cut a little bit the corners, and at the beginning it was supposed to be one project, but after a while I decided it's too big for the project that I wanted to do, and I decided I'll make 2 projects out of it. And I decided to look for the center, and I made in the center, I made a groove that will be the 2 tenons that I'm going to create. So I will have 2 pieces, 2 tenons, and I'll cut it here in the middle just now, and I just wanted to be sure that it's the right size for the tenant, and let's go. A quick cut with the blackline tool, parting tool, and I'll have 2 pieces. From this piece of wood and resin, I decided I'm going to do a tea light holder, and I'll try and play that's the part to the top of the piece of wood where it was been frozen away, and I'll try to get out the areas where you can see the wood and the resin together. First, I'm cylindering it, and I'm trying to find out how deep I have to go to find that it's round, and then I'll continue all the way. What I'm doing now is I'm basically doing the design that I want to do, the steel light, and hopefully it will be cool. I'm creating a recess, turning it around, start working on the other side. This is the side where I'm planning to have the base, the bottom of the tea light holder, and I'm shaping it already the way that I want it to look in the end. And I start seeing that there is flames of the resin in the wood, and I'll try, and you can see it now, and I'll try to keep as much as possible those flames. They look nice. And now I'm removing the excess part of the wood, and I'll start designing and machining the bottom, making a recess that will be my bottom part of the tea light, place for my logo, and let's continue. Here, two lines actually on this one, and here you will see that I'm using all the way to I'm sandpapering all the way to 600, and then I'm going to use triple E as a finish. marking the lines. As you could see, what I'm doing is between every time I sandpaper, because it's quite a lot of dust on this one. So what I'm doing is I'm sandpapering, then I clean it with air pressure, and then what I do is I clean it with alcohol. When I was happy, I turned it around, and I'm starting to remove a little bit of the resin, and I want to get to the area where the wood is joining the resin without losing the flames, the green flames in the resin. So what I'm trying to do is to remove as little as possible, very carefully, till I get to the area where you can see the spikes of the wood coming out. You already can see it, and now let me just finish with the design and try to remove as little as possible from the resin. So like I said, I'll keep the green flames in the resin. The same on this side, triple E, sandpaper first, triple E as the finish. One piece of wood, some resin, two colors, gold, green and gold, blue, three colors actually, because the blue and the gold mixes give you a greenish color. And out of it I made two projects. I cut a big piece, you'll see how it works. The first one is this lovely present that I'm going to give somebody with a tea light candle. It's a quick and easy project. I hope you like it. If you do like it, don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, put some comments at the bottom. And I'm going to use the second piece of wood of this one for my next project. Till then, boom.